I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. I'm here with the Buzzaround CarryOn HD by Golden Technologies. This is a folding travel scooter with a 400-pound weight capacity. So this is considered an HD scooter. The scooter has plenty of cool features. First thing I want to mention is I'm going to go over the adjustable tiller. There's a yellow lever on the right-hand side. You can bring the tiller in and out. You have this lightweight seat. The seat measures 18 inches wide by 16 inches deep. We have these armrests that can fold to the side. They are adjustable as well, so you can bring them closer or further out if you prefer. Let me bring that closer. The seat folds down. It comes with two batteries. You have a 12 amp battery and a 6 amp battery. Both are lithium batteries. They're approved for airlines. You should be getting around 20 or so miles with both batteries combined. There is a storage container in the back for the second battery. Now to break this scooter down, we're going to remove this front basket. We're going to remove the seat. There's a yellow lever underneath the seat. We just lift up. The seat comes out. This seat post then folds down, just like that. And then we'll bring our tiller down. So you can do it like this, and throw this in your car, throw this in your car. Everything together is 77 pounds. This piece is 52 pounds, which seems heavy. But then you realize that you can lift it and roll it like this. So you don't have to pick the whole thing up. You can set this on your trunk, set these wheels on your trunk, grab the other end, and then just roll it in. You don't have to pick the whole thing up in one go. So it does roll around, and it actually stores vertically. It has spring-loaded tip wheels that allows it to store vertically. I'm going to tip it back down. Also, the seat has a mounting section when it is folded. You can mount the seat on this post right in here, and it will latch itself in, so you can keep everything together. It will store vertically like this as well. So I'm going to put it back together. The scooter does come in multiple color options. You do get the red and the blue right out the gate. You can change the shrouds, but you can, for a little bit extra, order. There's about 6 or 7 other colors you can get for this chair. I'll have them in the corner of your screen. The battery is easily removable. You can charge the battery separate from the unit as well. It's got a nice cup holder on this side and a cane holder on this side. It has built-in lights as well. You have front and rear lights. Like I said, you have a little storage unit back here. And then there's a pouch in the back, and then you can stick a golden flag in the back as well. It does come with a flag. So once again, this is the Buzzaround CarryOn HD by Golden Technologies. It's a great lightweight travel scooter. If you're interested in this, I have a link in the description below, and I have a full review also linked in the description below if that's something you're interested in. Thank you for watching.